Hi guys, I showed you how to do a few things, so I wanted to make sure that I created a video that if you forgot or need a refresher on how to do those things, you can go back to this video. First and foremost, I wanted to show how you get to the Annuity login page. I added, now this says Core 1 on it, you see my cursor is kind of circling it, but this is for all cores. But just a little a reminder, you have the title, but then you also then have the Google Meet right below it. So every day when it's time to log into our Google Meet, you can just click on that link and it will take you right to our Google Meet. To log into your Annuity, you want to make sure that you're logging in through the link that Chambersburg has provided. You don't want to log into the Annuity student login because it won't take you to the correct place. So I put it here on our stream, but then I also, if you look at the top, do you see that at the top? It has stream, classwork, people, and grades. You'll want to hit classwork, and you will see it under technology, links, and apps, and it's the Annuity login, and it's there, but it's also there. So if you use those two locations along with what's on the stream, you should be able to get to Annuity and get to our courses and be able to work through that way. Reminder that you are supposed to be working through Annuity. I will give you some time in class to be working on it, but sometimes you're going to need to work on it like during the independent time, or if you have a free moment in the evenings or whatever, just to make sure that you are keeping on pace so that you get it all through. I also showed you how to get our guided notes. Now this is not bolded today because so far I'm videotaping this yesterday, so it's not open to you yet, but it is now that when you're seeing this video. I hope that makes sense. But the guided notes will be always here. So we are doing the guided notes, and I showed you in class that you would need to click on it, and then you will see the guided notes are right there, and then you will click on that again. And these are our guided notes. This is where, as you watch the video, you will type in the information. And we are going to go over this the next time we have class. So you don't need to put anything at the top or up at the title. You don't need to do that because these are your notes. These are your guided notes. Who knows? I might let you use these notes on a quiz or a test or what have you. But you will see video 1. And for this lesson, the video is broken up into 3 sections. So I broke it down up into 3 sections. So the first video, and it shows here, let me bring up the video. It's called a lecture. But you will see the video is here. And you'll hear him kind of talking. You can't really hear him, but you heard him play. Now you saw me pause. You saw that I went to that and I paused. Now before I get ahead of myself, I also showed you how to do a split screen. So the best way I know how to do a split screen is I call it grabbing it, and that's where you right click on, see how my pointer is at the top, my white mouse, it's up at the very top where it says open preview, it's up there. You grab it by left clicking and then dragging it over to the side. And do you see how it kind of like minimized it around the edge? You can kind of see where it will go once I let it go. Well, once I let it go, it will then ask me what I want on the other side. Well, I want our guided notes, so that's this. So now I can see the video on one side and see the guided notes on the other side. So as the video is playing, I can then go through and type in the notes on the other side, which is very helpful when you're trying to go through, especially because the video has some written stuff in it. So if you're looking at the video side, another thing I showed you is don't watch the video all at once, or you can watch it all at once, but then also you can pause the video at times that you want to pause it. So like you play it, and then let me get to a point. So like they'll always give the objectives of the unit. And so the first objective is define geography as a field of study. So that's always good to know our objective in our LEQ, because that is what is going to drive our lesson. And if by the end of our lesson you can't tell me, you can't define geography or what's part of geography, then we need to get back together. We need to work together on relearning that or what have you. So always make sure that you're paying attention to the objective. Okay, so I'm going to pause soon because I say, oh wow, he's going to tell me the definition of geography. Okay, perfect. So geography is the study of the earth. So then I know that I need to go through and type up what does geo mean and what does geography mean. And then if we continue in the video, oh wait a second. Do you see the title at the top? It says Geography's 3 questions. Oh, look at number 2 over here. What are the 3 big questions of geography? Okay, well, I guess that's what's going to be. So I'm going to pause that again when it comes. Okay, so we have what? And you see it's already there. Oh, look, supporting questions. This is where I would type in, what is our world like? Do you see how I paused the video first, then typed in? So then I'm going to continue watching the video. Ooh, what's the society like? I might add that. Even though it's not written there, he said it. So I say, what is, and I'm a horrible speller, people. I don't know why. And look, I love this because look, it gives me the correct spelling. Love it. Okay, what is society like? And then I go back to the video and I keep doing that and adding things to my guided notes. Now, this needs to be done by our next virtual meeting because we will go over these notes together. Also, you could be working on your get to know me slide that we started yesterday. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Oh, that is, I do want to show you in Annuity, I showed you how to email. Let's magnify that. Up near the top, you see it says communication. You will hit communication and then email. And then in there, you'll be able to write an email to me. So you would put new email, and then you would type it to, I wonder if it would be, look, you just typed in my last name, and there I am, right? And then say, question about guided notes, and then you could type your email there. And then you want to hit send up the top. And I think that's pretty much everything that we will cover, or what that we did cover. Again, I am here for you. If your internet's not working or things are frustrating you, don't get frustrated. This is all new. It's all new to me. It's all new to you. And we'll get through this. And as long as you're doing your best, that's all I can ever ask of you. So, thank you very much, and I will see you next class.